Hello students, today in this video I am going to deal with the chapter 5, that is people who help us. As you all remembered, I have deal this very same chapter in your previous class, in class 2, that people who help us, right? So there is so much description about the particular persons who help us. So let's begin with the chapter. In the pictures shown below, we see a soldier fighting war. In the picture shown below, we see a soldier. Soldier is fighting a war. A doctor treating a patient. What a doctor is doing? So doctor is treating a patient, or we can say that a doctor treats the sick people. A doctor treating a patient. A teacher teaching in a class. What a teacher is doing here? He is teaching in a class. And a policeman with a thief. And a policeman is with a thief. He is a policeman and he is a thief. Okay. So a policeman maintains law and orders. Okay. So what do you understand from these pictures? What do you understand by these pictures? That we need people who help in our day-to-day life. Okay. We learn that we need the help of other people in our day-to-day life. Okay. So we learn that we need the help of other people in our day-to-day life. Okay. Now let's move to the next paragraph, that is about the description of soldiers. So who is soldier? A person who serves in an army is called a soldier. Okay. Person who serves in an army is called soldier. Soldier lead a unique military lifestyle. Soldiers lead a unique military lifestyle. What is the meaning of unique? Means being the only one of its kind. Means being only one of its kind. They are given tasks to maintain their physical fitness, and they do some tasks that maintain their physical fitness through various training programs. Okay, through various means by the various training programs. They protect us from our enemies, and they also protect us from our enemies. As I asked that who protect us from our enemies, so the answer is soldiers protect us from our enemies. They maintain the territorial integrity of our country at the cost of. Now let's move to the next paragraph, that is about farmers. Okay. So farming is the most important occupation in our country. Farming, that means खेती करना, ठीक है, जो कृषि से रिलेटेड होता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फार्मिंग. सो फार्मिंग इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑक्यूपेशन इन आवर कंट्री. ऑक्यूपेशन मीन्स अ जॉब और अ प्रोफेशन. ओके, a job or a profession of someone is called occupation. So farming is the most important occupation in our country. A large number of people do farming in the villages of our country. As you all know that a large number of people in the villages of our country do farming. Okay, though we will be able to have grains, okay, rice, corns, how we will get all these things? Because of our farmers. Farmers grow different kinds of food grains, vegetables and fruits. Farmer also grow cotton, sugarcane, tea, jute, groundnut, etc. Means these are the things that are grown by farmers. Okay. Now move to the next page. As you all can see the picture, that a farmer is ploughing his field. Okay, he is a farmer and he is ploughing his field by the help of bulls. Okay, so for a good crop, farmers need flat land and good soil. For a good crop, farmers need flat land and good soil. It means they need a flat, means जो flat होती हैं लैंड्स, मतलब ज़मीन जो फ्लैट होती है, दे नीड फ्लैट लैंड एंड गुड सॉइल. गुड सॉइल, इट मीन्स दे नीड soil that is of good kind. Large quantity of water is also needed of irrigation of crops in the fields, and they also need water in very large quantity, okay, to grow their crops well. The kind of crops grown depends on climate and the soil, and the kind of crops that grown depends on the climate, climate and the soil. Okay, now come to the next person who help us, doctors. Okay, the person who treats sick people is called a doctor. The doctor looks after our health. So who treats sick people? A doctor treats sick people. When we get ill, so who will treat us? So doctor treat sick people and look after our health. In fact, the doctor checks a newborn baby and makes sure that everything is normal. And what happened? Doctors also check a newborn baby, that whether the baby is normal or not. Okay. Here in this picture you can see that a doctor giving vaccination to a child. What is vaccination? We will read in this next paragraph. Okay, if we get injured, the doctor applies medicines and cover the wounds with a bandage. If we get injured, so what happened? A doctor applies medicine on it and cover the wounds with a bandage, and he covers our wounds with a bandage. He tells us why we fall ill, and he also tells that why we will get sick or why we will fall ill. Okay, he advises us to follow the rules of hygiene to keep ourselves fit. So he also give advice that what rules should we follow to keep ourselves fit. Okay, he also tell us about hygiene. Hygiene means to keep our body, to keep our things and our surroundings very neat and clean. Okay, though we will not become ill. The doctor give vaccination to protect us from disease like polio, TB, cholera, etc. So doctor give us vaccination. As you all are child and you also have go through the vaccination to protect. So why we get the vaccination? To protect ourselves from the different diseases like polio, TB, cholera, etc. Okay. You can see in this picture that a patient is in a hospital and a doctor is treating us, and near the doctor there is a sister who helped doctor to treat the sick people. Okay, now move further. Every big village has a dispensary where one or more doctors treat the sick people. A group of villages has a primary health centers where the doctor treats sick people and gives proper medicines. A city has many hospitals. So every big village has a dispensary. What is dispensary? A small hospital is called dispensary. Okay, where one or more doctors treat the sick people. In dispensary there can be one or more than one doctors, and they treat the sick people. Okay, a group of villages has a primary health center. A group of villages has a primary health center where the doctor treats sick people and gives proper medicines. Okay, means a group of villages there has a primary health centers where doctor treats sick people and gives proper medicines. A city has many hospitals, but in a city there are many hospitals. Okay, in this picture you can see this is called mobile dispensary. Mobile means that can move from one place to another. Okay, and everything is available in this van for treating sick people. Okay, like you can see that there is a so there is a oxygen, and there is a there is a IV sets and cannula, and this is water plating system. So everything is available in this van to treat sick people. Okay, at places that do not have dispensaries or hospitals, doctors and other staffs move around in a van or minibus with medicines and other facilities to treat sick people. At place there that do not have dispensaries, it means the place where no hospital, no dispensaries there. So doctors and other staff move around in a van, means like this van, they move around in this van or minibus with medicines and other facilities to treat sick people. Okay, such vans are called mobile dispensaries, and such vans are called mobile dispensaries. There are doctors who treat sick animals. There are doctors who treat sick animals. There are also kind of doctors who treat sick animals also. Okay, they are called veterinary doctors, and they are called veterinary doctors. Okay, and there is an exercise what you have to do. I am telling you, a hospital has doctors who are specialized in different areas. Okay, a hospital has doctors who are specialized, means there are different types of doctor for different diseases in the areas of medical science. Name any three of them. Like the doctor who treat eyes is called ophthalmologist. Like the doctor who treat with our bones problems, so they are called orthopedic. And psychiatrist are also there. Psychiatrist deals with the mental stress and depressions, all these things they deal. So you can write orthopedic, ophthalmologist and psychiatrist. So this is enough for this. I think this is enough for today's class, and next I will deal in your next class, I mean in part 2, video part 2. Okay.